Good morning. Before we begin our tribute to Johnny, I would just like to take this opportunity to welcome and recognize a couple of our nurses here today. Kelly Odell, as you all know, and Cindy has already said, that she is Johnny's niece, and she herself became a nurse because of Johnny. She is a member of the Wichita Falls Nurse Honor Guard, but has joined our chapter today to honor her aunt in her career as a nurse. Charlene Crocker is also here and is a new member of our chapter of the North Texas Nurse Honor Guard. She has known Johnny since the late 70s and worked with her for many years in Wichita Falls. She considers it an honor to be here for this tribute for her colleague and friend. It is our pleasure to have them here to participate in the Nightingale Tribute as two nurses that were close to Johnny Button, RN.
We are members of the North Texas Nurse Honor Guard, here to honor and thank Johnny Button, RN, for her service to the nursing profession. Florence Nightingale's work during the Crimean War in the 1850s set the standards for the modern nursing profession. She was called the Lady with the Lamp. At night, she would walk among the wounded, making her rounds, holding the light in her hand. The Nightingale lamp symbolizes all that Florence Nightingale stood for: the nurses' dedication to their patients and their care, to their selfless work, courage, gentleness, and unwavering devotion to duty. Perhaps Miss Nightingale knew, somewhere deep down, even then, that the light from her lamp would go shining on through into the future. Johnny's nursing career began with the lighting of this lamp. The recitation of the Nightingale Pledge, and a first roll call was taken as each new nurse was pinned. At this time, we would like to ask any nurses present to stand and be recognized and join us in the recitation of the Nightingale Pledge.
The Nightingale Pledge. I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully. I will abstain from whatever is deleterious and mischievous and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession and will hold it in confidence, all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my calling. With loyalty will I endeavor to aid the physician in his work and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. Nurses, you may be seated.
The Nurse's Prayer. Give to my heart, O Lord, compassion and understanding. Give to my hands skills and tenderness. Give to my ears the ability to listen. Give to my lips words of comfort. Give to me, Lord, strength for this selfless service, and enable me to give hope to those I am called to serve. Amen.
Nursing is a calling, a lifestyle, a way of living. Nurses here today honor Johnny in her life as a nurse. Johnny is not remembered by her years as a nurse, but by the difference she made during those years by stepping into people's lives in special moments. Johnny was there when a calming, quiet presence was all that was needed. Johnny was there. In the excitement and miracle of birth, or in the mystery and loss of life, Johnny was there. When a silent glance could uplift a patient, a family member, or friend, Johnny was there. At those times when the unexplainable needed to be explained, Johnny was there. When the situation demanded a swift foot and a sharp mind, Johnny was there. When a gentle touch, a firm push, or an encouraging word was needed, Johnny was there. To witness humanity, its beauty, in good and bad, without judgment, Johnny was there. To embrace the woes of the world willingly and offer hope, Johnny was there. And now that it is time to be at the greater one's side, Johnny is there.
Johnny Bunton, we honor you this day with a white rose to symbolize the dedication with which you served and honored our community.
Nurse, honor guard call to duty. Nurse Shirley, please report for duty. Reporting for duty. Nurse Patty, please report for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Nurse Fran, please report for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Nurse Michelle, please report for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Nurse Kelly, please report for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Nurse Charlene, please report for duty.
Reporting for duty.
Nurse Journey, please report for duty. Nurse Journey, please report for duty. Final roll call. Nurse Journey, please report for duty. Nurse Johnny Burton, we officially release you of your nursing duties.
On behalf of the North Texas Nurse Honor Guard, thank you for allowing us the honor of releasing Johnny Bunton, RN, of her nursing duties, and for thanking her for her life of selfless dedication to the nursing profession. Please accept this Nightingale lamp to honor her life as a nurse.